Hi, I am Yvonne. I am 38 years old and a business administrator, and I work with an important. I am single, I am calm, friendly, respectful, collaborative person. I live in Bogota in the center of the city. Tips to go to Melgar to Lima. During my life vacation, I traveled with my family to the Capan Club located in Melgar. We visit each of the water attractions such as slides and swimming pools. The trip to Melgar lasted 2 hours from the city of Bogota, and the cost for each traveler was approximately 5,000 Colombian pesos, because we stayed at the Colomana Hotel. I like Melgar because the mixture of its climate and its people make it as a pleasant place for tourists. Melgar's climate is warm, and it is desirable to bring sunscreen and insect repellent. We stayed at the club for 4 days, and we returned on December 15, 2019. Travel recommendation. It is recommended to visit the Club Capan in Melgar. It is necessary to carry a blocker and mosquito repellent. It is important to book some accommodation in time in case you travel in high season. It is a good idea to also visit the town of Melgar. Its water is warm. It is a good idea, nice people. There are several eco parks to enjoy. It is very close to the city of Bogota, capital of Colombia. What you should do. If plan to go to Melgar, should go to Ecoparque El Gaitero in Melgar. Avoid sunscreen and repellent. Go to water attraction in Melgar. What you shouldn't do. You shouldn't know it expose to mosquitoes. You should not expose themselves to sunlight. You shouldn't not go to rivers without a lifeguard. Thank you.